seen that look there in your eyes, and I know it all so very well. It's natural, I wanna look so close, so tight, but I have no need to dwell. If you pick these flowers, they can grow any longer. Even if they're in a garden, they will know you have shown a love more beautiful. Of course, it's great to go and shine your light and fill your world with love. But too much of